He robs all women in his building, he robbed the old guy at his dad's bit, they done that to that old woman that was up their high flat and all that.
No, I've come out and said that. I'll say to his face. I just him.
He just, you know what he does? He blames it on his wife.
The lassie's been dead.
Yeah, well, he blames it on that poor missus. God rest her soul. The fact she's dead, I'll say that now.
He ran away from her, man, and that poor lassie's like, fuck's sake, I've got a big cunt stone in my toes.
Do you remember when he met that lassie? She still had her kids. She was a pretty looking girl. She was dead cheery. Did you ever see her at the end?
Aye, she blew up.
Aye. She couldn't even walk.
She looked like that.
Couldn't walk, Nicky.
Like Violet for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Aye. It was total. It couldn't walk lend herself.
I know.
And
no, he's a thieving horrible cunt.